What's up guys? I'm back to my channel, Amigo Jan. Alright guys, meron tayong update ni Xiaomi guys. Already unboxing this phone guys, because this already in the store, and we have already prepare for someone to buy this phone guys. This phone is already redmi 90. Wow, so very nice guys, because so very affordable and so very nice specs and compared to other brands. Alright guys, ito na yung latest natin, yung pinakamaganda yan sa store natin guys. Alright guys, so very nice guys. So I want to tell you the price guys, so very affordable. Already we have in the variant guys already, in the 4 gig 64 guys already 6,990. So very affordable guys. And then guys, if you have other variant guys, so already 6 gig 128. Wow, so very nice guys. The price is already 7,990. Kunti lang lamang nila guys, ano nila price. Alright guys, so very beautiful guys, and so very nice the camera. Already the battery guys, so very big na guys, kasi it's already 6,000 milliamperes. Not bad in the camera, so very nice. Also the colorful of the screen. Alright guys, so very different colors. There's a black, green, orange, and violet. Alright guys, already in the store guys. Alright guys, nag-update po tayo guys kung ano meron dito sa Redmi 90. Alright, Redmi 90 guys. Yan, ito yung specs niya. Wow, so very the camera guys, the first camera already 48 MP AI camera. And then guys, already the battery is 6,000 milliamperes. Alright, so tatagal pa rin yung mga phone nyo guys. And then guys, and also guys, in the phone guys, already 3 slot camera, 3 camera in the back guys, and already the 48, and there was many dice. Alright, next po tayo guys. Hindi natin patagalin guys, mag-unbox na tayo guys. Anong laman ni Redmi 90? Ito yung bago ni Xiaomi guys. Alright, come and let's watch this video guys. this my video, guys. Thank you for watching this, and hope just like and subscribe this YouTube channel. Alright, guys. And let's thanks everyone for just following my YouTube channel. Hope you just click and like, subscribe, and share this on YouTube channel, guys. Alright, dito natatapos yung update natin sa Xiaomi store, guys. Just latest phone. Alright, and thank you all about, and God bless.